So here we go, 7 Cleaver Street in beautiful downtown Bungarribee. 353 square metre block, 2-storey home, 5 beds, 2 baths, 1 garage, indoor kitchen, outdoor kitchen, study. What more could you want? Come and have a look at this gem. So if you're an upsizer, if you're a downsizer, if you're looking to live in Bungarribee and you're ready for that move, come and have a look at 7 Cleaver Street. It's a gem of a house. Open homes at 12:30 to 1 o'clock. I'm Maurice Short and I'll see you there.